All right, after watching that video, they talked about a lot of different types of angles. 3 of the angles that they talked about were right, acute, and obtuse. A right angle is a 90-degree angle. It has straight edges like the corner of a square. The way I like to remember acute angle is it has the word cute in it. And it's a cute little angle. Notice that it's little. It's less than 90 degrees. And obtuse is greater than 90 degrees. And I like to remember that by saying obtuse. It's an obtuse angle. And that just helps me remember that it's a big angle. But there are different parts of each of these angles. And we'll take a look at those next. So if you look at this workbook page, it talks about points, lines, line segments, and endpoints. So if you look at these definitions, it says a point is shown by a dot. It is named by a capital letter. So notice these dots here with a capital letter are called points. A line is a straight path that goes on forever in both directions. So we can tell it's a line if it has arrows on each end. Those arrows tells us that it goes on forever and ever. A line segment is a part of a line. So if you notice, a part of this line has a line segment between A and B. This would be an example of a line segment. It has 2 endpoints at the end of the line, letting us know that it's a line segment, not a line that goes on forever and ever. So your assignment for this week is to turn to page 398A in your workbook. You will cut out all of these little squares and you will do a sort. You will put columns on a piece of paper and label them right, acute, or obtuse. And then you'll take a look at each of these angles. This first one is a trick question. It's actually a circle, and a circle is 360 degrees. This one, I'll give you a hint here, is greater than 90, so that makes it an obtuse. So this guy would go under your obtuse pile. So after you've cut all of these squares out and you've placed them under the right category, I want you to take a picture of that, and then you'll turn it into the media album that's in your math folder. Good luck!